It's a bad man thing. See, one time. Standard. One time.
What's up, loves? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Wigs2WaistLength, and of course we are here with another quick wig review. You guys already know. I am super duper hyped about this wig. Big shout out to Sensationnel for reaching out to me to do a review on this unit. Definitely, girl, much appreciated, boo-boo. So we are gonna hop right into this. It's also a collab with my girl Iya All Day, so definitely check out her information in the description box down below. And let's hop right into this review. All right, loves. So the wig that they sent me is their box braid large. This is part of their Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig line. And this is 100% Kanekalon, and it does have a multi parting space, a 4x4 lace parting. Here is her care card. Miss Lady is rocking this wig, I must say. This is in the color 1B, and here is Miss Box Braid Large. I am so hyped about this wig.
Really round in my head, but I don't really talk about it. I love it what you're doing to me, and I don't want to do it. Day and night, I dream of us doing whatever, but I guess I'll have to wait until that day comes.
Can we take a moment and appreciate the fact that Sensationnel gave us enough coverage on the sides? No need to actually cut this on your head. This has more than enough lace and coverage for those edges.
You know you make me float. Boy, you really keep me high.
So straight out the pack, the baby hairs on here were a little too long for my liking, so I did decide to cut them. I'm not always team baby hair, as you guys know, so if you do decide to keep them long, go ahead, do you, boo-boo. I say it every time, but of course it's just gonna look a little bit more natural on me if they're not as long. Keep in mind, these are just like salon braids. This is a coarse yaki wig, so you may have to do a pre-wash to soften it up a bit. So let's get into this review. So here we are with this braided wig by Sensationnel, and this is part of their Cloud 9 line. That is such a mouthful. This is a new wig. If you are new to wigs, maybe you've been under a rock, maybe you have not seen the buzz over these braided wigs, these new wigs by Sensationnel, but there is a lot of buzz over these wigs. So let's get right into this review. First, I want to give them a big shout out. So thank you, Sensationnel, for sending out the unit. If you guys are interested in purchasing, then definitely check out the information in the description box down below. I may or may not use an affiliate link. I do get a little bit of commission should you decide to purchase. Miss Box Braid Large. So cap construction is very stretchy. This is a very comfortable cap. This is a soft Swiss lace unit, so you will have to maneuver it to your liking to get it to lay flat. Me personally, I do not see that happening without using some type of glue. Hairline does take some work. You will have to maneuver it. You will have to put in some work to get this to your liking. Now, as you guys saw, the baby hairs were a little too long for my liking, so I did trim them, and I just gave it more of a natural look that looks more natural for me. If you are team baby hair, then go ahead, swoop them edges, girl. Do you, make it do what it do, boo-boo. Bomb ass parting space. Excuse my language, but they hit it out the park with this parting space. I do wish we had just a little bit more parting space, but it is so natural looking. The unit does feel very full in the back, so I don't think you'll have a problem with any of the braids showing or any gaps or gaping holes where you would be able to tell that this is a wig. So I did notice when I put my hair jewelry on that these braids are not uniform in size. They do vary just a little bit. So if you are going to put some jewelry on, you will definitely notice that. And these braids are braided all the way down, and I'm actually really impressed with the detail that they put into this wig. It does appear that the ends are actually twisted, and I don't know if they put some type of solution or if they burned them or melted them to keep them intact, but I do not see these unraveling anytime soon. Doesn't say it on the package, but I do imagine this is about 22-24 inches. So, you know, she's giving you some nice little island realness right now, baby. Overall, this is such a beautiful unit. Now, I do wish they would improve on a couple of things with this wig. And my number one, like, improvement that needs to happen ASAP is the amount of bulk that this wig has. It is very bulky up top, and it doesn't lay as flat as I would like it to. But I think that's something that they can come back and definitely improve on. Of course, I do wish that the braids were just a little bit more uniform in size, but that's not really a big issue because it's not really like noticeable until you notice it. But other than that, this is definitely a beautiful wig. I think what I'll do is I'll insert some styling options at the end of this video, so definitely stay tuned for that. And I don't know what else to say about Miss Box Braid Large. If you guys are interested in the unit, then definitely check out the information in the description box down below. And of course, do not leave before you check out my girl Aya All Day. Information for her review will also be in the description box down below. A direct link to her video will be there. And of course, do not leave before you check out the video here or here. And make sure you hit that subscribe button for your girl. As always, make sure you share the video, share the channel, share the love. Make sure you wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.